What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be watching the car. I'm gonna put this shit on to see if it actually fucking works or not. So yeah, I'll show you later what kind of things I use for my car and everything. But yeah, let's see if it works that good how they say, but I doubt it. It was what, 14 bucks, 13 bucks at Walmart. So yeah, it says ceramic wax hybrid. You never know. So yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is what I'll put in the coat. Put water, it doesn't bead at all. Check it out. The water pretty much stays like that. So yeah, let's see once we put the coat, the difference, if it beats or not, you know? You never know. So yeah, check it out. Alright guys, so we're finally ready to put this on. First you gotta leave it wet, put a little spray on top of it, wipe it down, and then after that, you gotta spray it again, and just rinse it off, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's see how it works. I don't know. Here we go, first coat. Check it out. So this after it has the product on it, water on it. As you can see, it's not a big difference, okay? So I don't know, it's up to you guys. Alright guys, so I'm done with the car. Pretty much did what the bottle says. I even watched a couple videos. To be honest, there's not that much difference on it. As you can see, still. So yeah. So do I think it's worth it or not? You know what? It cost you $13. Save the money, man. Don't buy it.